Assalamu alaikum viewers, especially all the students of entomology. Today's discussion is about Odonata. So, welcome to my discussion, and we will discuss about this matter from Wikipedia. Odonata is an order of predatory flying insects that includes the dragonflies and damselflies. Now you can ask, what is order? Let's see. Order is one of the 8 major hierarchical taxonomic ranks in Linnean taxonomy. It is classified between family and class. In biological classification, the order is a taxonomic rank used in the classification of organisms and recognized by the nomenclature codes. And here, predatory predation is a biological interaction where one organism, the predator, kills and eats another organism, its prey. It is one of a family of common feeding behaviors that includes parasitism and micropredation and parasitoidism. And here, look very carefully that dragonflies and damselflies are included in order Odonata. So damselflies are this is damselfly. Odonata here this is dragonfly. A dragonfly is a flying insect belonging to the infraorder Anisoptera below the order Odonata. About 3000 extant species of dragonflies are known. Most are tropical, with fewer species in temperate regions. And this is the picture of dragonfly. And damselflies, damselflies are flying insects of the suborder Zygoptera in the order Odonata. They are similar to dragonflies but are usually smaller and have slimmer bodies. Most species fold the wings along the body when at rest. Unlike dragonflies, which hold the wings flat and away from the body. And this is damselflies. Look very carefully. Their wings. Most species fold the wings along the body when at rest. Look here, this is damselfly and its body is slimmer than dragonfly. The two groups are distinguished with dragonflies suborder Epiprocta usually being bulkier with large compound eyes together and wings spread up or out at rest, while damselflies, suborder Zygoptera, are usually more slender with eyes placed apart and wings folded together along body at rest. And we have already seen about this matter. Adult odonates can land and perch but rarely walk. All odonates have aquatic larvae called naiads. These are called naiads. In biology, a nymph is the juvenile form of some invertebrates, particularly insects, which undergoes gradual metamorphosis, hemimetabolism, before reaching its adult stage. And all of them, larvae and adults, are carnivorous and are almost entirely insectivorous. Although at the larval stage they will eat anything that they can overpower, including small fish, tadpoles, and even adult newts. Here, look very carefully. Carnivorous means a carnivore or meat eating is an animal or plant whose food and energy requirements are met by the consumption of animal tissues like the lion. Carnivores means meat eater. And here insectivorous. An insectivore is a carnivorous animal or plant that eats insects. An alternative term is entomophage, which can also refer to the human practice of eating insects. And here fish. A fish is an aquatic amniotic gill-bearing vertebrate animal with swimming fins and a hard skull, but lacking limbs with digits. Fish can be grouped into the more basal jawless fish and the more common jawed fish. And tadpole, this is the picture of tadpole. A tadpole is the larval stage in the biological life cycle of an amphibian. Most tadpoles are fully aquatic, though some species of amphibians have tadpoles that are terrestrial. And here newts. Look, this is the picture of newts. A newt is a salamander in the subfamily Pleurodilini. The terrestrial juvenile phase is called an ipt. Unlike other members of the family Salamandridae, newts are semi-aquatic, alternating between aquatic and terrestrial habitats. The adults are superb aerial hunters, and their eggs are specialized for catching prey in flight. And now look at the scientific classification of Odonata. Domain Eukaryota, and the eukaryotes constitute the domain of Eukarya or Eukaryota organisms whose cells have a membrane-bound nucleus. Kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, unranked. Dicondylia, subclass Pterygota, division Paleoptera, superorder Odonatoptera, order Odonata. And here some suborder Epiprocta and Zygoptera. Zygoptera consist of damselflies, and Epiprocta consist of dragonfly. And Epiprocta suborder is divided into two suborder, Anisozygoptera and Anisoptera. And now we have already finished our discussion about Odonata. Thank you very much for joining with us. Please keep watching for the next video. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah.